We will now get started with setting up a simple React app. Please use your command line interface to do so. First, check that you have a recent version of Node installed so that you can use the npx command. We will be using the Create React App package to set up a React app. We will call the app Tic Tac. Running this command may take a minute or so. Change directory into the Tic Tac folder created by the previous command. To run the app, type yarn start or npm start if that is your preferred task runner. The app will open in your default browser at localhost 3000. Also, open the current folder in your preferred code editor. We will be using Atom. We have completed the setup, and we have our code editor Atom on the left of our screen. And we have a Chrome browser window on the right of our screen. We have opened the index.js file in the source folder of our project. For our course, we will start from scratch, so delete all the code from this file. We will also be using the index.css file during this course, so open it up as well. Delete all the code from this file. Switch back to index.js. We will hide the project tree view on the left. We are now ready to get started.